I'm Bill McGrath, the Chief Technology Officer at Level Urgent Care. We're a walk-in medical clinic. We're open 12 hours a day, 7 days a week as an alternative to costly emergency room visits that people need after hours and on weekends. The biggest cybersecurity challenge that we have Next Level is our own users, spam and phishing. We've got about 1,000 end users here, and we have 50 locations, so it's really hard to know what all of them are doing and what training they've all gotten. So keeping tabs on them from inside is exciting for me. All of the things that I was trying to solve were available in one platform, right? So I didn't have to get a piece from A, a piece from B, and a piece from C, and then hope that everybody worked together. And then if I had an issue, multiple vendors to call. It's very nice to me when there's certain solutions that I can just consolidate into one vendor. That's a huge factor in a lot of my decisions. It's pretty amazing. It's a great tool. It's been a great tool.